ThermalSpa UV Auto Gel Lamp Nail Dryer, 45 watt. Salon Quality Nail Lamp, dries all manicures and pedicures fast, designed to dry all professional manicures and pedicures. You can count on the ThermalSpa Nail Dryer for correct and reliable drying at all times. Loved and recommended by nail professionals, this UV nail lamp is infused with the latest drying technology that will help you achieve a painless, high-quality and much smoother look and finish for your nails. Suitable for drying all kinds of gel nail polish quickly and efficiently, ergonomically designed, easy-to-use nail dryer, UV Auto Gel Lamp Nail Dryer is about as professional as you can get. It's sleek and has plenty of room for both hands or feet, and with the light placement, the angling of the bulbs means you won't have to contort your thumb for even curing. With 3 simple settings, you can have the nail dryer always on there with a timer for 2 or 3 minutes. It also comes with a removable bottom liner that slips off for cleaning and easy pedicure use. Time saver, economical. Look no further than ThermalSpa UV Auto Gel Lamp Nail Dryer. It comes with a smart design that will help you shorten the time by 50% than other UV nail lamps. As for years, ultraviolet light was the industry standard, and what's great about UV is that it will work on all gel nails with cure times in the 1 to 3 minute range. Beautiful nails for weeks, beautiful nail arts, neat and simple nail polish. This nail dryer is right for you. Committed to providing an exceptional nail experience, you will be kept at bay from freaking odors, your polish will dry quickly and last for a long time. Plus, this dryer can serve a number of tasks at a low power wattage to keep your skin and eyes safe, but still drying is quick, quiet and there is no overheating of the machine. Portable for home use or travel, this ThermalSpa UV Auto Gel Lamp Nail Dryer, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.